Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create an arc in FieldGenius using 3 measured points. So what I'm going to do to begin here is I've hooked up to the simulator in FieldGenius, and I'm going to select my line option, which is just next to my plumb bob option here in the bottom left corner. I'm going to make sure that's highlighted. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit RTK fixed and store my first point. So this is going to be the beginning of my arc here. And once I've stored my first point here, I'm going to make sure that I now have my arc midpoint option selected, which is my third option here in the bottom left corner. And then I'm just going to zoom out here and make sure that my entire project is within view here. So once I've got zoomed out, you can see that point number 1 is the beginning of my arc. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to shoot my midpoint by hitting RTK fix, and this is going to set up the midpoint through which my arc has to pass through. And as my simulator turns around here, what I'm going to make sure in the bottom left corner is that my line option is selected again. And then if I hit RTK fix, what it's going to do is it's going to create the endpoint of my arc. And you can see here that I've created this big circular arc that begins at point 1, passes through my midpoint of point 2, and then ends at point 3. So now obviously, if the simulator hadn't done a full 180, I'm not going to get this giant arc. If it had continued on and taken a less direct path to turning around here, I could have created a gentler arc. But regardless, what happens when you use these two commands is that you will get a circular arc that is created. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you create a circular arc using 3 measured points from the map screen. But if you have any questions about anything on our YouTube channel, or you have questions about anything you've seen in the surveying space, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204, or visit us online at bench-mark.ca.